All right, here we go. Lesson 33, phonics. Say bounce. Sound bounce. B, ow, n, s. Say count. Sound count. K, ow, n, t. Say found. Sound found. F, ow, n, d. Say cloud. Sound cloud. Cl, k, l, ow, d. Say mound. Sound mound. M, ow, n, d. Say scout. Sound scout. S, k, ow, t. Excellent job. Here we go. Let's read our first sentence for phonics. Ready? He found the way out. Our first phonics pattern, which is new, is OU, says ow like found, and ow like out. Hold on. Let me just highlight what we need. Ow like out. Let's read our second sentence. Ready? She took a photo. Our next phonics pattern is PH. PH has a F sound. It says F, so it has a completely different sound. Excellent job. Let's do our review of our sounds. Ready? OU says ow. F, ed, t, and d. S, der, pull. I and E. Here we go. Lesson 33 phonics. Say bounce. Sound bounce. B, ow, n, s. Say count. Sound count. K, ow, n, t. Say found. Sound found. F, ow, n, d. Say cloud. Sound cloud. K, l, ow, d. Say mound. Sound mound. M, ow, n, d. Say scout. Sound scout. S, k, ow, t. Good job. Here we go for our new phonics patterns. Let's read our first sentence. Ready? He found the way out. In our first sentence, we have OU. OU says ow in found and in out. So we're looking at OU says ow. Let's read our second sentence. Ready? She took a photo. A photo is a short for photograph or a picture. PH is our spelling pattern. It says F like F. Excellent job. Ow. F, ed, t, and d. Der. Oo and dull. I. Tull. I. Ah. S. Bull. Oo and U. Gull. ah, e, f, ow, pull. Good job. Let's go ahead and read some words. Ready? Look, sound, cute, read, cute. Look, sound, J-L-E, read, jelly. Look, sound, M-A-N, read, mane. Look, sound, pound, read, pound. Look, sound, M-A-M-E, read, mommy. Look, sound, T-R-I-D, read, tried. Look, sound, S-our, read, sour. Look, sound, P-ool, read, pool. Look, sound, L-oud, read, loud. Look, sound, graph, read, graph. Look, sound, surfing, read, surfing. Look, sound, phone, read, phone. Look, sound, hour, read, hour. Look, sound, art, ease, read, parties. Look, sound, loans, read, loans. Look, sound, ill, read, fill. Look, sound, mouse, read, mouse. Look, sound, long, read, long. Look, sound, shy, read, shy. Look, sound, pond, read, pond. Look, sound, blouses, read, blouses. Look, sound, scratched. Sorry, read that, sound it again. Scratchy, read, scratchy. Excellent job. Now we are going to go to our syllables. Here we go. Our first word is winter. Let's snap it. Winter. 2 syllables. We are going to separate our syllables between the 2 consonants. N and T are consonants, and that's where we separate them. Here we go. Our next word is insult. Snap it. Insult. Once again, we separate between the 2 consonants. N and S are consonants, and we separate our syllables between the 2 consonants. Our next word is better. Snap it. Better. Better has 2 syllables that are the 2 letters that are the same, TT. They're both consonants, and we split it between the 2. Next word is herself. Snap it. Herself. And in this case, it's a compound word, so I'm going to separate it between the 2 words that make it the compound word, her and self. Our next word is insect. Snap it, insect. It has 2 syllables. In and sect is the second one. We separated between the 2 consonants. N and S are consonants, and that's where we split them. Excellent job. So let's go ahead and write some words. All right, we are going to practice some for number 1. Let's go ahead and we are going to write brow. So I hear a B, Hold on, let me see if I can do this a little different. B. Oh my goodness. Ow. Remember, today we learned that ow is an O. It can also, OU, but it also can be an OW when it's at the end of words for brow. Number 2 is phone, like I like to call and talk on my phone. So remember, PH says F. And then I hear an O, N, and then what makes the O say O is an E at the end. All right, the next one is cloud. I hear a cool. So C and L say cool. Now here's where I hear my ow. And I hear something at the end, so I know it's probably going to be an OU to be an ow. And then a D, cloud. There we go. All right, our last word to write is bend. B, which is a B. We'll try it again. B. E. N. D. Bend. There we go. Bend. Excellent job. Way to go on your phonics lesson.